Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and this is what has taken up my time, because all of this is going to go into that, and then another one is going to go right here, and those things right there are going to go underneath it. But I have been having to move stuff over. We just got that built. My husband built it because he is awesome. This is from Ikea. And what actually started all of this is this desk or this top. It's the linoleum table. I know you can barely see it, but yeah, my study is a wreck, literally a wreck. But these two corner desks are going to go away, and then the other 4x4 cube is going to go where those are. Then the table is going to go there as my desk, and then I'm going to go get one of the smaller ones that goes out to make a tea. And then those cubes, which are actually shelves that are turned on their side, I'm going to use those underneath the table, and then I'll still have the corner here. I just won't have the drop down for my keyboard. But my monitors are on swivels, so hopefully the new table that's over there will work it or hold it up. But this section here, where I have my washi tape and my tower, is always just gotten in the way. And so once I have all the other cubes that are over here, I'll be able to get all of this stuff sorted out and figured out, put away. And like I said, it's a complete wreck right now. But yeah, I got tons of stuff that you guys thought my studio was packed. Yeah. These are all of my Traveler's Notebooks inserts. Those are mostly pocket. Then I've got other sizes over there. So, and some of this storage and things that are like up here will go away. But yeah, until I get it all sorted out and figured out, it's making me crazy. But I feel better knowing that I now have two of these. My husband built this one tonight in about an hour, actually. It's pretty easy. And he's going to build me the other one. And then once that gets up, then I can start figuring out where everything goes. Yeah. What used to be here was a love seat. And that got taken to it got donated earlier today. And all of this started because my brother bought me that table top, and it was the table and 4 legs from Ikea, and it was on sale for $30. And so I bought it for me for Christmas, and then I lost my mind and went and bought 2 of the cubed things so that I can just get this done and get it set up the way I want it to and be done. So anyway, this is part of why I have not had another video up today. I was hoping I was going to show you guys my my husband going upstairs. Show you my what I was going to start carrying as of tomorrow, but I will do that tomorrow. Hopefully I will have a little bit more of this done, even though I have to go back to work tomorrow. I'm going to work on this tomorrow night as soon as I get home. So yeah, this is Amy's world right now, and it's making me crazy. A lot crazy, because it's not organized and it's not put away and all of that. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you what chaos really looks like, because this is it. And hopefully in a couple of days I get to show you guys what it looks like instead. So yes, I have 3 Raskogs in here. And then I have 1 more in my studio. So, okay. Anyway, enough of my madness. I will, I'll talk to you guys hopefully tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Bye.